Hi dolls, welcome back to my channel. My name's Sabrina and I hope you're having a super sparkly day. Today I did Sybil Hallow's look, her little braid, crown braid from The Worst Witch. I remember this series as a kid. It's actually books. So I have those linked down below, and now it's also a Netflix show, which I think is really cool. I also loved her little braid, and it's got little pops of purple since that's her house color. Before we hop on into the video, I wanted to mention some gummies, some vitamin gummies that I got sent in the mail from a company called Heartbreakers Gummies. These are all cruelty-free, soy-free, and gluten-free, and they taste really good. So if you want to see more about the gummies, make sure you watch till the end of the video, and I'll have everything about them at the end. So if you want to see how I got this hairstyle, keep on watching, but before you do, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit subscribe down below. Now let's hop on into it.
Hey dolls, so for today's hairstyle, I just went ahead and split my hair down the middle to make a part, and then I'm going to go ahead and make two pigtails and add a purple ribbon since Sybil's hairstyle has a purple ribbon in it. And then this is my way of doing a crown braid so that it's really super easy. I just went ahead and braided the two pigtails with the ribbon in between. And also, here is that code that I talked to you about at the beginning for the gummy vitamins. And this is also their website address, so go to Heartbreaker Gummies and use the code BALLET. So I'm going to go ahead and braid like you normally would, you know, just cross over and under and over and under, and trying to keep that purple on top. I have a lot of hair, so it kind of gets lost, but that's okay. And yeah, I just kept braiding all the way down to the bottom of my hair. And then I just tied it off with an elastic. And this is where you can kind of pull your braid apart and pull out that purple ribbon so that it shows. I think this is a really super cute and easy hairstyle. That way, if you're not the best at doing like braids on yourself, you can get the same look without it hurting your arms or anything. And I just kept tugging until I was happy with how the purple ribbon was sticking out. And now you can see the purple ribbon pretty sticking out pretty well. And then I'm just going to do the same thing on the other side. So I just went ahead and tied my hair into a pigtail with a little clear elastic, and then I added in the purple ribbon, and then just braided as you normally would. And my hair's kind of tangly and messy like usual because I really don't like to brush it. And just like on the other side, you want to braid all the way down till you get to the bottom of your hair. So for me, that's quite a long time, but for other people, it might not be as long. And then I just went ahead and tied it off with an elastic, and then went back and started to flatten it out and pull that ribbon out so that you could see it. And once you're all happy with that, you want to go ahead and take one braid and cross it over and pin it down with some bobby pins. I like to make an X shape, that way they kind of stay together and hold better. And then for the other braid, you want to go across the back of your head, and then I took and tucked it under the first braid That way you don't see the messy ends that didn't get braided. And then just pinned it down with some more bobby pins as well. And if you have any more loose ends, you can kind of tuck them underneath the braid and bobby pin or hairpin them down. And then you can go back and kind of tug on that braid just a little bit more so that you can see the purple ribbon. That way you get Sybil Hallow's hairstyle pretty simply without a whole lot of crazy braiding. And I just went back and added a few more bobby pins to make sure everything was nice and secure. And that's it for this look, guys. Keep on watching to find out more about those gummies.
So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed that hair tutorial. So a little bit more about these gummies. They're from a company called Heartbreaker, and they are hair, skin, and nail vitamins. These actually taste really good. They're supposed to taste like strawberries, and they're also cute little hearts, if you can see through the packaging. I'm actually not going to try and get one out because they're kind of stuck together since they are so gummy. But they are really good, and like I said at the beginning, they're soy-free, cruelty-free, and gluten-free, which is really awesome. On the bottle it says, "Calling all boss babes of the world, our Heartbreaker gummies are specially created for girls who like to be both healthy and beautiful inside and out. Heartbreaker gummies were carefully formulated for all hair, skin, and nail types. Each gummy includes vitamin C, biotin, and folic acid, which helps your hair and nails grow and skin glow. Slay those selfies. Not only are they cute to look at like you, but they taste amazing with the addition of natural strawberry flavor." Yes, so I think these are pretty cool. I kind of have noticed that my nails are growing a little bit more, and that they're a little bit stronger, which is awesome because my nails are all over the place. And plus your hair gets a little bit more shiny the more that you take it. I've only been taking it for about 2 weeks, but I think they're really good. And also they gave me a discount code, which you heard back in the video as well while we were working on our hair. And here it is now across the screen. The code is BALLET. This code gives you 20% off of these Heartbreaker gummies, and their site is called heartbreakergummies.com. So make sure you go check those out and use the discount code. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.